Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do a quick hands-on review of Xiaomi 17 that comes with 6.3 inches LTPO OLED display and 120 Hz refresh rate. So the design looks very similar to iPhone 17 in my opinion. I really like this color. And on the left here, as you can see, we have nothing. On the back we have 50 megapixel camera, three cameras with the 50 megapixel sensor, which is really nice, laser autofocus. And on the front we have also 50 megapixel camera, which can record up to 4K 30 fps and 60 fps guys, which is insane in my opinion. And I really like the bezel size is also quite thin. So we have Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. And about the storage, it either comes with 512 GB storage and 1 terabyte in global, if you talk about global markets. So with either 16 GB or 12 GB RAM. And it has a 6330 milliamps of battery, which is really nice. So the price, if you look at the price, it's really expensive here, as you can see, 3999 Saudi riyals, so which is quite expensive, but it comes with a lot of features. We also get fast charging, 100 watt of fast charging, and it also comes with under display fingerprint sensor, which is also really nice. So guys, if you like this video, click on that like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.